Alright, we're going to clean and lube my chain today, or I'm going to clean and lube my chain today. I kind of wanted to ride out to the dealer and see if they had any oil crush washers, maybe test drive some stuff, but it's hot as hell. As usual, I'm kind of tired and lethargic, so decided early on I wasn't going to do that. I'm going to go to the store right by me to see if they have it, but see how much it shows up before and after, because so crusty we're looking right now. I wanted to take the front sprocket, clean by the front sprocket too, but I'm not 100% sure how to do that, so I'm not going to get involved with it. I'm pretty sure I'm just going to need to take out these 3 bolts, but it also looks like I'm going to need to take off this one and pop this plate off, but I thought this was just going to be a simple cover. This looks it's pretty thick, so I don't know if I'm going to expose wood or anything else if I take that off, because I wanted to clean in there and see if the previous owner had already switched the sprocket, the front 2 sprocket. So we're gonna do that. I've done this. I cleaned and lubed it once and then just cleaned it the last time. So now I'm gonna do clean and lube again. I'm gonna do that kind of style every other time is when I'll whatchamacallit. Or no, I mean I cleaned and lubed, then I lubed, and then I'll clean it every other time, basically. But I got this Motul stuff, and then the whole brush. I do have a, you might be able to see it back there. I do have a tire stand for this, but I can't, for the life of me, cannot put it up on it anymore. I got it up over the winter pretty easy, and then now I've tried a couple times, once with my brother just the day, and it keeps on wanting to fall over. It's not sitting on it quite right, so I'm gonna have to do this old-fashioned way and clean a little bit here and push forward and clean a little bit there and push forward and clean a little bit there. So we're gonna clean it and take a look at it after. Alright, all finished with that. That was kind of annoying as hell, and not spotless, but sprayed the cleaner on, scrubbed a little, moved it forward, repeat the process till it's clean, wipe it off with a microfiber cloth I got, and then lube it little by little. Just spray that on. I tried to clean up the cog a little bit. I lose patience real quick with everything, so kind of just did it a little bit. Said should have some better lighting for this. Not spotless, but a lot cleaner than she was. That one's a little, got better lighting on that one. It's alright, that was cleaning and lubing your chain. Now I'm going to take it right over to that other shop, see if I can get some pressure washers. Go on a short ride probably, because it's hot as balls, and I don't know, I'd probably rather just sit here. Alright, see ya. Bye-bye.